Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'll show you how you can change the background music in Subway Surfers and make your game feel more exciting. First of all, launch open Subway Surfers app on your device and make sure that you're inside the main home screen. Once you're in, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up settings. From the settings menu, go ahead and tap on the first music icon, which is currently showing as Boombox, and then go ahead and pick your favorite background music from the options. Hear your background music and make sure that you would like to choose this particular one, and once you've chosen that, you can get back to the home screen. Once you do that, you will be able to change your background music on Subway Surfer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.